Hi guys, Bobby D here. Welcome to my video where I'm going to show you how you can earn between $10 and $50 quickly and easily. Now this is a great method that anyone can do. So what am I going to show you in this video? I'll show you the exact website where you need to go to sign up. I'll show you what you need to do to sign up. I'll show you what you need to do to earn money, and this is super easy. I'll show you how you get paid via PayPal and how you can do this over and over again. Your options for this are unlimited. Now please watch the video to the end. I'll be giving you some nuggets as we go along, and I'll show you how you can earn as quickly as possible. This is available in the most countries and you can earn unlimited earnings. Now what I love about this is you can do this whenever you want. You can do this at home, at work, sitting in the car waiting for someone, watching Netflix at home, sitting on the couch. If you want to earn some extra money, you can just use this method. It's brilliant, and it's a great side method just for bringing in that little bit of extra income that we all want. Now before we get onto the method, guys, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button please, and then hit the bell. Why? One, because I'd really like you to, and two, you get to see my latest content. I upload either a money-making video every day or an affiliate review every day. I'm an affiliate marketer. I have an affiliate blog at bobbydonlinemarketing.com. Have a look there, guys. You will get all my latest content if you hit subscribe and hit the bell, and I'll be very grateful. So please make sure you do that. Don't miss out. Now the other thing I'm doing for you guys at the moment is I'm giving you some free training, 100% free. No charge. If you look at the comments below this video, you'll see a little bit that says get my free training here. Just click that link and that will take you through to 7 videos that I've got running, all about how I make money online, okay, as an affiliate marketer. I do this part-time, guys. I earn $100 a day minimum doing this on top of my full-time work. This is just such a great life and such a great system to have, earning money online. And the best bit is anyone can earn money online. You only have to do one thing, and that is take action. If you don't, it won't work. Okay, so do that, guys. Have a look at my free training. There's 7 videos. You're more than welcome to hit me up on Facebook. Drop me a comment on here under the video. Always happy to help you guys out. So let's get on with your training. So the site I want you to go to is paidera.com, Paidera. So go to that, create an account. You just click I want to create an account, and then fill in the boxes and sign up. Now they will confirm your email, so make sure you put the right one in. Otherwise you're not going to be able to start making money. So let's just go through the website. So it's Paidera. It says turn your time into money. Now this you can work online with no experience at all, and there's so many different tasks in here. This is what I like about this website. Okay. And the best bit is it works on mobile and desktop. Now a lot of these sites only do one or the other. This does both, so you'll straight away you know, have an option to make money. Now again, what I like about this website, some of these paid websites that you go to, you can only do 1 task a day. This one you can do unlimited tasks every day. There is no limit to how many you do, which means there is no limit to how much you can get paid. Inviting friends. If you invite your friends, you get paid. Okay, every time they do a task, you get paid from it as well. So it's passive income, and that is what this is all about, earning a passive income. So the more people you sign up, the more money you make. Instant payments. When you reach the minimum threshold, you get paid out. It's 24/7, same day payout. If you've got PayPal, you'll get the money the same day. So some of the things that they do here are sign up tasks, and that is to sign up to a website, sign up to an offer, put your email address in, and it's that people want it to sort of bump their figures up is why you do it. So what I suggest you do straight away is make yourself an email account on Hotmail or Gmail that you're only going to use for getting mail from these types of websites, okay? Because you never have to check it. You don't care what's going into it. There's nothing important. It's just basically junky email. So my tip of the day is make your own email up. Otherwise, if you put your personal one in there or one you use a lot, you're going to get absolutely spammed to pieces because these people will give your email out. So just make a separate one. You can complete surveys. Now these surveys go from a minute up to about 10 minutes, but obviously the quicker they are, the less you get paid. The longer they are, the more you get paid. Sometimes you're asked to upload videos. Now this is the most profitable task there is, and they might ask you to video, you know, a scene, a park, video some traffic, video people walking along, just make sure you don't capture their faces. And for those type of videos, because you're going out of your way, you can earn some good money. And like I said, invite your friends. You know, everyone that signs up that you recommend, you get paid. They ask you to write about them, to give positive feedback, to write blog posts. Okay, really good. 57,000 members have signed up. They have done 790,000 tasks. That is a lot, and they've sent out over 154,000 payments. So why choose them? They are the only website that provides multiple streams of income. Like I said, there's so many different tasks here you can do. You won't get bored. Okay, the tasks are easy. They're relatively quickly. If you invite your friends or family, you get paid as well. And the best bit is you get paid the same day. Again, not a lot of sites do that. Now there's some feedback there. And if we just pop over to surveys, you can see the type of work that you can do. Just let this load up. So these are just an example of what you get to do. Television viewing. This questionnaire is part of a survey research. And you can start the survey and it will ask you questions about what you watch on TV. Now what you will notice is some of these don't pay a lot of money. That is 17 cents. When did you last visit a hotel? Feedback, 15 cents, 20 cents. But you know, some of them only take a minute to do. So, you know, if you've done those 5 and they took 5 minutes, you've earned $1. That's $1 for 5 minutes work. You know, you do 10 of those, that's $10 for 10 minutes work. I don't get $10 for 10 minutes work. That's good money. And there's some big companies on here, you know, McDonald's, you get big companies asking for you to do stuff, you know, 45 cents for that one. So what I would do is obviously avoid these 5-10 cents ones, try and do the big ones. And that survey there will be a bit longer, but it's financially better because you really, you know, do 2 almost and you get $1. So that's the sort of scope of what you do. Now there are other ones on there, they're not showing up at the moment, but like uploading the videos, watching more movies, etc. So you have your own dashboard, and like I said, there is no limit on how much you can earn on this website. That's what I like about it. You can earn unlimited money. Okay. What it says there, what you shouldn't do, like, that's a good question actually. If we go to surveys, you know, if you don't know something about something, don't randomly just answer the questions because it's pointless. Just answer what you know. Go over the topics that you know about, like this one here, pet testing. You know, if you haven't got a pet, don't do it. Just do the ones that you know about. You know, and that's just a taster. You know, there's probably 15 on there, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 25 on there that you could easily get on with. So let's have a look. That's $1, $2 roughly, 3, 4, you know, $5 or $6 there if you've done all them, which might only take you 20 minutes. So real big chance to earn some money. Now another great way of earning money is from my website. So if you pop over to my website, bobbydonlinemarketing.com, bobbydonlinemarketing.com, this is my affiliate review site. And as you can see, I review all the latest products that make money. And I give you an honest review. Not only do I give you a review, I give you loads of stuff for free as well. If we take iPassive, this is all around earning money on YouTube. There'll be a link below here. You grab my bonus, but if you go to the bonus, it tells you what they are. You know, I'm giving you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 programs for free. It's probably $150 worth of free programs there. if you grab stuff through my link. So that goes through all my reviews. So have a look at that, guys. And then pop over to my YouTube channel. It's Bobby D. Have a look at that, and you'll see I've got hundreds and hundreds of make money methods on there. Okay, there is no excuse not to make money. Have a look through them. My affiliate reviews are on there as well. Plenty of ways to make money. And please, guys, hit that subscribe button for me. Hit the bell. Sign up. Make sure you don't miss out. So that is it from me today. I'm Bobby D from Bobby D Online Marketing. I appreciate you listening to my video. Take action. Make money. Hit the subscribe. Hit the bell. Visit my website. Keep me happy. Cheers, guys. I will see you in tomorrow's video.